tracking costs, identifying risk, and keeping a project on budget is one of the biggest hurdles in construction. Finding efficiencies in this area can make all the difference in delivering a successful project. Cost in Autodesk Build centralizes the management of all cost-related activities, provides a real-time view of the financial health of a project, and works seamlessly with accounting systems. Let's take a look at how cost helps improve cost control, gain real-time visibility of cost-related risks, and enhance forecast accuracy. Easily monitor and track budget items in real time. With configurable features, teams can customize their budget to meet specific needs, including detailed hierarchical buildups, custom segment options, master list imports, and custom columns. To add in custom columns or modify existing ones, click on the Income section of Settings. From there, add in new columns or duplicate existing ones. To create or customize a formula, simply drag and drop formula items. You can also rename columns and move the position. The Budget Summary view organizes incoming budget, outgoing costs, and changes by your preferred budget coding structure. Within the Summary view, items can be expanded to show information including associated contract, supplier details, and forecast adjustments. To create different views of the budget, click on Settings from the Summary view and select the columns that you'd like to see. To save the view for later reference, click Save Current View and name it. Individual users can save private views. However, admins have the ability to save and share views for the entire project team. To start simplifying contract management, begin by creating a main contract. Simply select Add, enter the code, name, and contract type. Teams can then automatically generate the main contract schedule of values by going into the Budget tab, click on the Edit icon, select the budget line items, and click Create Main Contract SOV. Once the main contract and schedule of values are created, you'll see all of the information in the Contract Summary view. To create supplier contracts, click on the Expenditure tab, enter Edit mode, and either add necessary details or import an Excel list. To link contracts to the budget and assign a supplier, simply click on the contract name and add relevant information on the flyout. From here, a SOV is automatically created. To edit the schedule of values, you can add, import, or delete sub-items. Lastly, teams can streamline contract document creation with document packages. Add documents by using document templates, dragging and dropping, attaching files, and moving attachments into the package. This creates a single package that can then be downloaded and distributed for e-signature. The main contract schedule of values serves as the foundation for all owner payment applications. Construction teams can help owners create payment applications by automatically collecting all supplier applications and backups, as well as other expense documentation. Creating supplier payment applications can be done directly through the owner payment application. Under Associated Cost Payment Applications, simply select Create and select the appropriate contract. Select the billing period for the specific supplier payment application and update the work completed for that period. Suppliers will be notified of the request for a payment application and can go into the system and update Work Complete. Once the supplier completes the payment application, construction teams can click Accept and Approve. As the job progresses, there may be other expenses that need to be billed to the owner. To log expenses, simply click Add from Contract, select the appropriate contract, and add in critical details. Expenses can easily be added to owner payment applications by clicking Add Existing Expenses and selecting the desired expenses. Once all of the necessary supplier and expense information is in the owner payment application, click Submit. Owners will be notified of the payment application and have the option to log on and approve it directly in order to expedite the process. All approved payment applications and expense information will sync back with the budget summary view, providing a real-time view of the overall project health. Effective change order management is critical for controlling construction costs. With Cost in Autodesk Build, change orders are connected across the project lifecycle, allowing teams to better manage and control all project costs from the beginning to the end of a project. Since RFIs often lead to a potential change order, teams can create a PCO directly from an RFI, providing context for the origin of the change order. From the PCO tab, simply add in cost items, link to the budget, and input an estimated amount. To verify the cost, teams can easily send a request for quotation to a single supplier or multiple suppliers. Once an RFQ is received, users can accept, reject, or request revisions and provide critical comments. If accepted, the generation of an OCO or SCO can happen with a single click. Teams can choose to add in recipients and attachments before generating. All change orders will appear in the change order log, where users can see the cost impact and status. Lastly, Cost also includes a forecasting functionality, allowing teams to make forecast adjustments and view final forecasted costs and variances. Teams can create custom forecasts by leveraging planned and actual cost data, generating custom calculated columns, and saving personalized views. Start streamlining cost control, improving visibility into the financial health of a project, and reducing cost-related risk today with Cost in Autodesk Build.